Hello everyone. Alright, so if you are drawing along with me, this part is going to feel calm and slow because Doma is a character which looks peaceful on the surface, but the closer you get, the more terrifying he becomes. Watch how the pencil moves, softly at first, just like how Doma hides behind that gentle smile. His eyes, always serene, almost too serene for someone so cruel. Take your time with those details. Doma's beauty is deceptive, so every line should look effortless, almost angelic. Did you know Doma was considered a child prodigy in his human life? People believed he was a living Buddha, and he actually convinced himself he felt nothing. No sadness, no joy, no empathy, nothing. And that's why his smile never changed. It's not confidence, it's his emptiness. Doma's blood demon art isn't just ice, it's cryogenic poison. Even if his ice doesn't kill you, the poison will. Shinobu could only fight him because she prepared her body for months, but she still lost. And that's how overwhelming his power truly is. Doma's rainbow-colored eyes were inspired by Japanese religious painting of gods who sit above the human suffering. But the twist? He was never a god. He was just a monster pretending to save people while consuming them. Coloring Doma is always the fun part because his palette is so bright. It almost hides the darkness underneath. Those blues, those golds, and that flawless skin. If demon had influencers, Doma would definitely be one. Look at how the colors bring him alive. Too perfect, too calm, too dangerous. Now I am curious. Tell me which part of Doma fascinates you the most.